If you've been searching for the best AI video generation program for faceless content, stop scrolling because you are exactly where you need to be. Welcome back. This is my third deep dive into VidRush AI, and today I'm going all in. We're talking the good, the bad, and the ugly. No sugarcoating, and it's an honest look at one of the most powerful AI video generation tools I've come across. So why would you even use a program like this? Creating consistent video content is one of the hardest parts of growing a YouTube channel or social media presence. It's time consuming, it's expensive if you're hiring editors, and if you're camera shy, it can feel completely out of reach. That's exactly where a tool like VidRush AI comes in. No camera, no editing suite, no team. You can produce long-form, professional-looking videos anywhere from 6 to 40 minutes long, almost entirely on autopilot. For anyone looking to build a massive income stream through faceless content, this is the kind of tool that changes the game. Now let's talk about where this software really shines, because certain niches are thriving with AI-generated faceless content. Top 10 in countless videos and documentaries. They're always in high demand. VidRush AI is a program designed to create fully produced videos ranging from 6 to 40 minutes. We're talking faceless content, perfect for YouTube channels and social media platforms where you want to build an audience without ever showing your face. But here's the thing, it's blowing up. There's actually a waiting list to get access right now. And if you want in, you'll need to email the company directly and they may select you to try it out. The output quality is impressive. We're not talking about rough, choppy AI content. VidRush is generating polished, long-form videos that can realistically compete in just about any niche on YouTube. And the results people are seeing, well, channels are generating anywhere from $4,000 to $30,000 per month using content made entirely with this tool. Here's where it gets exciting. I'm gonna do a full live demonstration using my own channel, so you can see exactly what the software produces from start to finish in a real world setting on a real channel. You're gonna see a lot of the good, some of the bad, the areas where it stumbles, and even a few ugly moments because I'm not gonna pretend the software is flawless. With that said, I wanna be clear about this. Every AI program has glitches, but in my opinion, VidRush is one of the best options available today, and a demonstration I'm about to show you will speak for itself. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Before we go any further, I do need to say this, and I mean it sincerely. This program is not cheap. It's an investment. Like any investment, it comes with risk. I'm sharing my personal experience and my honest opinion, but at the end of the day, use this program at your own risk. I'm not responsible for your results, and I don't want anyone making a purchasing decision based solely on what I'm showing here. So do your research, watch the full demonstration, and then decide for yourself whether this is the right tool for you. I think it's excellent, but that's just my opinion. I'll leave the final call entirely up to you. All right, so here we are on the main dashboard of VidRush. And before we get started, let me just put a little disclaimer out there that I used Claude AI to help me create the idea for this and the first prompt. Today, we are going to be doing auto mode and not manual mode because when you use manual mode, it's a little more involved. And like I mentioned in my previous videos, it might come out better if you use manual. It does take more time. There are a lot more questions to answer, but auto mode does a pretty darn good job. We're going to be using Deep Video V1 Pro mode. We're selecting that model. We're going to do a top 10 video, and I already asked Claude AI for that information for our top 10 video, but you can do documentaries, and coming soon, you're going to be able to do commentary, compilation, and wait for it, 3D animation, and this is going to be huge. We are going to keep our video 6 to 8 minutes long, but look, it does go up to 40 minutes, but we're going to do 6 to 8, and let's paste our prompt in here. All right, we are going to go ahead and move on to our next step. Oh, before we do that, we need a title. So let me come over here to Claude, and there's my prompt. What is my title? Make it SEO friendly. It will perform. Mystery thriller tone. Yes, let's go this one. Nice. The top 10 most mysterious places on Earth that scientists can't explain. Let's grab this title and let's go ahead and move on to our next step. Okay, so we had to just refine or modify our title and our prompt because I don't have enough credits to do a 10 to 12 minute video. So I just changed it to the top 5 places instead of the top 10. So let's go ahead and see what we can get out of this. And we're going to use Titan.
With thousands of generations, my voice is
select.
voice is renowned for its innate ability to persuade
Continue.
and share information.
Crime theme is fine. Let's go to continue. Going to go to grid pattern. Thumbnail reference. It's loading. Oh, new ones. Nice. Here we go. I like this one. Should not exist. Continue. Okay, so we're in queue. So I will be back. Our video is in queue right now, and see you in a bit. All right, our video just finished for 5 places on Earth that should not exist. All right, let's take a quick peek. I'm not going to play the whole thing. Let me just scrub through it. Let's just take a quick look.
5 places on this Earth defy the rules of nature, history, and reason. From stone sentinels to a crater of eternal fire, each guards a mystery science still cannot explain.
So far, so good. Let's take a look at our tracks. I'm pressing Control, and I can zoom in or zoom out, pressing Control. Let's scrub through real quick.
Our journey begins on the loneliest island in the Pacific. Number 1. East.
This looks great. Wow. So far, so good.
Across the island's depleted
I don't hear music, so I would like to add music, and we're going to talk about that in just a sec.
grasslands is no less astonishing. In 2000, yet the builders worked with a purpose that by careful surveys that
This looks great. Wow, I'm excited to post this on my Signs and Secrets channel. So just a little update on my last video performance. I posted it a few days ago, and I have 100 views, which isn't terrible for a brand new channel, long form. Actually, I'm up to 119 views. I gained more views today. So whatever I'm doing is working, and I'll keep you posted. And I'll keep you posted on that.
Ever been found? Watch the fire. Today, the crater yawns 70 meters wide and 30 meters deep, its heart radiating 600 degrees Celsius. Sentinels to a crater of eternal fire. Each guards a mystery.
Okay. Yeah, so it looks good. This video is only 6 minutes and 50 seconds long. And I don't see captions, but let me show you how to activate captions on here. And you'll see them on the left side, right? So they are already positioned to be in, and you can see the captions template on the bottom. But what you want to do to get captions is come over here to the gear, and you have more options up here. Enable captions. Yep, and it really is that easy. So drop overlay shadow. No. Yes, let's show transitions. I don't see music in this track. And this is what happened last time. I checked for audio, and let me show you over here. Audio. There are 3 tracks, and it looks like that's all that's available to me. To adjust the audio or the volume of each track, just double click on the track, and then you can adjust it right here. All right, on the left side.
Loneliest island in the Pacific. Number 1.
Okay, let's scrub forward a little bit.
Evidence of the shockwave's impact on the surviving forest. Place, the Darvaza door to hell, enigmas that mock logic and scale. Their impossible presence reminds us that Earth will always outpace our understanding. What haunts us is wonder.
Okay, so it does have audio, it does have music, it has the transitions, it has the video clips, it has the captions. It has all of the ingredients for a video to potentially go viral. It looks super interesting, and the most important part of your video, and you're not going to like to hear this because your video could be absolutely amazing. The most important part is actually the thumbnail, and I'm going to go ahead and work on that in a couple of minutes. And let me just show you on the left side what else we have to work with. So you have text, you can overlay text, audio, and then your captions over here. So you can insert your own captions. You can add images. You can add navigations. Okay. And then you have transitions where you could add more transitions between your clips. And then you can upload your tracks, if you do want to upload audio tracks, you would grab them from here or upload them here and then drag and drop them into your track. But we're not going to do that. And you have your images and videos. But again, in your local folder, this is where you're going to upload your own media to enhance what VidRush has already created. But this looks great. I don't want to add too much. I want to keep it as authentic to VidRush as possible and then check the performance. And I will keep you posted. So be sure to like and subscribe to Dynamic AI Tech, because not only are we doing tutorials and demos like this, but we are also trying to find the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs. All right, I'm going to go ahead and render this video, and I'm going to upload it to my channel, Signs and Secrets, and I'll leave a link below in the description so you can check the progress of how my VidRush video will perform. All right, everyone, comment your favorite AI video generation program that you like to use so I can go check that out, and I will hopefully see you all on the next video.